Okay. So in mathematics 1B, so the weightage, okay, so chapter wise weightage is changed for 2021 and 2022 exams, this year exams. Okay, so based on that we have to prepare. So how to score good marks? So what is the old weightage? What is the new weightage? Once we'll discuss. Okay, in section A, according to old weightage, 10 VSQs, 10 into 2, 20 marks. There is no choice in the VSQs. Okay, if we go to section B, here old weightage is 5 questions we have to attempt out of 7. Now, according to new weightage, okay, so we have to attempt 5 questions, but out of 10, 5 questions are choice. Okay, 5 into 4 is equals to 20 marks. And after that, we have section C. Okay, in this section C also, old weightage, 5 questions we have to attempt out of 7. But now, okay, 5 out of 10. Okay, 5, 7, 35. So here the total marks, total overall weightage, this 35, 20 and 20. So 75. Okay, total mass is 75. We are going to write the exam. Okay, so for 75 marks. How to score 75 out of 75? Or up to 75. Up to 75, close to 75. How to score easily? Okay, once I'll explain to you. So here, if you want to score good marks, more marks, okay, so what you have to do? You have to focus more on LQs first. LQs first. In LQs, we have the straight lines. From the straight lines, we are going to get 2 LQs. From pair of straight lines, we are going to get 2 LQs. And from DCs and DRs, 1 LQ. Differentiation, 2 LQs. And applications of differentiation. Okay, so from this, we get 3 LQs. So which LQs are more easier? Okay, so means more easier means, okay, so how can we say this is easier, this is hard? Means whatever we have, okay, so less concepts. Okay, so less concepts and less, okay, so less formula. Okay, so and very easy and less number of problems. Okay, so based on this, we give the first priority. We are going to give the first priority. So in all of these, what is very easy and important means, okay, in the pair of straight lines, we have one method, homogeneous method. That is very important and very easy and compulsory method. So easily you can give the first priority for this. Okay, so that easily you can score good marks if you prepare like this. Okay, first priority I am giving for this pair of straight lines, homogeneous method. Next, second priority I am giving for the straight line problems. From the straight lines, we have orthocenter and circumcenter problems and few theorems. Okay, so they are very important and very easy. So I am giving the second priority and third priority. After that, next priority, I am giving fourth priority for the DCs and DRs. From DCs and DRs, we have element related problems. In that we have angle between the, okay, so DCs and DRs lines, okay, and show that they are perpendicular. That type of questions we are going to get from the DCs and DRs. Easily you can, okay, so you can, okay, write this, okay, so very well. Okay, so you need little bit practice. Okay, very less number of concepts we have. After that, based on your practice and effort, either you can give the next priority for pair of straight lines or, okay, differentiation. Okay, I am giving the next priority also for the pair of straight lines. Okay, theorems, we are going to get the theorems. Okay, so after that, next 5 are choice, but these are also compulsory. And one more thing, we are giving the priority. We are prioritizing the questions. But anyhow, you have to learn all the methods, all the concepts. Don't take, okay, so choice in the preparation. Take the choice in the exams. Whatever you are feeling difficult, that is choice in the exam. Okay, take that question as choice in the exam. Okay, so next priority you can give for these questions from the differentiation. Okay, so differentiation, why we are giving little bit, okay, so next priority for this calculus part, the reason is only the reason, it is not that much difficult. So the thing is, we have little bit more concepts, more formula. If you revise, this becomes very easy. Okay, so I am giving the 6th priority and 7th priority for these 2 questions, and after that, okay, so 8th priority, 9th priority, 10th priority. So when you give the priority like this and prepare easily and within less short period of time, you can score good marks. Okay, and after that, for what questions we have to give next priority in short answer questions. We have 50% choice in the short answers as well as long answers. That is okay, so benefit for you, and okay, so you are going to score, okay, so good marks because of this. Okay, so before that, okay, so 5 questions out of 7, now 5 questions out of 10. Okay, just you need to write only 5 out of 10 questions. Next, if we come to the short answers questions, which are more easier. Okay, so means so little bit, okay, so easy means we can give the first and second priority for locus problems. Why? Because we have only 3-4 concepts. Okay, from these 3 or 4 concepts, we are going to get 2 questions. Easily you can score. Okay, so I am giving the first priority and second priority from these concepts only. And next, third, fourth priority also I am giving from the transformation of axis. Okay, so transformation of axis questions also very easy. We have one translation problem, one rotation of axis problem. Okay, so and we have only 2 formula. Okay, based on that we can solve any problem. Any problem, just you need to understand what is given, what we should find. After that, next priority I am giving for this straight line question only. Okay, either you can give the next priority for the either straight line question or 3D coordinates or limits and continuity. All these are easy only. Based on, okay, so what chapter are easy to you, based on that you can give the priority. Okay, so I am giving the next 5th priority for this, and 6th priority I am giving for the plain chapter questions also very easy. Okay, so easily you can score good marks from this. Okay, so and DCs and limits and continuity, DCs and ARs only we have elective, and the limits and continuity. Okay, so we are going to get the question from the limit concept. Okay, so we have few concepts. Okay, if you are perfect thorough with the, okay, those formula, then easily you can solve this, you can attempt this question. Okay, after that, okay, so just for this calculus part, limits and continuity, differentiation and applications of differentiation, these chapters are very important for second year as well as first year. Okay, and one more thing is for competitive exams also. Okay, so these chapters will play the major role. Okay, you have to be perfect with all the concepts. Okay, but the thing is, but students, most of the students will feel that these chapters are little bit difficult. The thing is, these are not difficult. Okay, the thing is only we have more formula. Okay, when you revise, repeat again and again in each and every problem based on the formula only. So in every problem we use the formula. formula based questions. Okay, that's why if you practice, these chapters are very easy. Okay, becomes favorite for you. Okay, so these chapters need regular, immediate practice. Okay, for example, today I'm explaining means immediately you have to practice without any postponement, so that okay, easily you can okay, attempt all the questions from this differentiation and applications of differentiation also. These questions or methods also easy for you. Okay, if you prepare like this, easily you can score. Okay, so full out of full from the SAQs part and LAQs part. Okay, and after that, if we come to the VSAQs, in VSAQs we are going to get from the these chapters. Okay, so these VSAQs will play major role for scoring 10% marks. If you want to score 75 out of 75, 75 out of 75. Okay, so these VSAQs are very, very important. Don't leave any concept, single line, single concept, single formula. You have to be perfect, thorough with those chapters. Okay, why? Because there is no choice in the VSAQs. Okay, here we have 50% choice in the SAQs and LAQs, but there is no choice in the very short answer questions. Okay, so that's why you have to be thorough with all the concepts, each and every concept, okay, of straight lines as well as 3D coordinates as well as the plane, okay, and limits and continuity chapter, differentiation and applications of differentiation. All these chapters are very, very important. Okay, so if you are thorough with these chapters, easily you can score 75 out of 75 also, even though we have less time, even though you have less time. Okay, so you have to practice. Okay, what methods are very important, what concepts are important, okay, what is very easy, what is very difficult. You need to differentiate. Okay, and you need to analyze the previous papers, previous questions, previous year question papers. Okay, then easily you can score good marks. Okay, so you have to be perfect with this and you follow like this. If you follow like this, easily you can score full out of full. Okay, so do you have any doubts in the weightage? Anybody?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir, no.
This is a weightage and follow like this, prepare like this. Okay, if you prepare like this, easily you can score. You need to score, okay, minimum 70 plus, okay, up to 75. Whenever you score, like, not only hard working, you need to work smart and hard. Okay, hard work is giving more results, good results, 10%. No, it is not true. Not only hard work, you need to work smart, what to prepare, what not to prepare. Okay, so what is very important, what is not that much important. Okay, you need to analyze the previous questions, previous methods. Based on that, you have to prepare. Okay, that is very, very important. Okay,